SIRHEOHAE. SIRHEOHAE. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word SIRHEOHAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 306. SIRHEOHAE. Again, it's SIRHEOHAE. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is shir, second syllable is o, and third syllable is he. Pronounce it with me. SIRHEOHAE. SIRHEOHAE. What is the meaning of the word SIRHEOHAE? In Korean, it is used to say, I hate it. Again, in Korean, SIRHEOHAE is used to say, I hate it. How do we write SIRHEOHAE in Hangul? It is composed of three syllables, so let's start with the first one. To be able to write the first syllable shir in Hangul, we need to draw first a siyot character, followed by an e character, followed by a real character, followed by a hiyot character. So that's for the first syllable. For the second syllable o, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by an o character. And then for the last syllable he, we need to draw first a hiyot character followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to write SIRHEOHAE in Hangul. Just some more information about SIRHEOHAE. It actually came from the word 싫어하다, which means to dislike. So SIRHEOHAE is a conjugated version of 싫어하다, and it is already on its present tense form. So 싫어하다 means to dislike, and SIRHEOHAE is the present tense form, which means it could be used to say I don't like it. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of this video, we already know by now that the meaning of the word SIRHEOHAE is I hate it. And with that, you've just learned SIRHEOHAE. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 296 to 305. But don't forget our word for today, word number 306, SIRHEOHAE, which means I hate it. The first word for our review is word number 305. It's 달콤한, which means sweet. Next word is 편의점, which means convenience store. Next word is 싫어하다, which means to hate. Next word is 울지 마요, which means don't cry. Next word is 맛있어요, which means delicious. Next word is 색, which means color. Next word is 딸기, which means strawberry. Next word is 베프, which means best friend. Next word is 모자, which means hat or cap. And the last word for our review is word number 296, 차이다, which means to be dumped or kicked. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.